Hello and welcome to the Colorado Grants Guide Overview tutorial. My name is Kelly Mowry and I'm the Resource Coordinator here at the Community Resource Center, and I'm here to briefly tell you about the Colorado Grants Guide, Colorado's leading online funding research tool. This searchable database contains over 750 profiles of organizations which financially support Colorado nonprofits. Featured in the database are local Colorado foundations and trusts, national foundations, state and federal government agencies, corporations, loan funds, and many more. In order to use the Colorado Grants Guide database from work or at home, you must purchase a subscription. Or you may check with your local library to see if it has a subscription available for use by library patrons. Please note that in order to use a library subscription, you must be physically at the library. Also, public access subscriptions, like those available at local libraries, lack the research management functions that are included with private access subscriptions, like nonprofit, business and individual, and municipal and government subscriptions. To access the Colorado Grants Guide, navigate to the Community Resource Center homepage, crcamerica.org, and under the Grants Guide tab, click Login. Here you'll be prompted to enter your unique username and password, and then you can click Login. If you're accessing from a library, please use the link provided to you by your librarian. This link will transport you directly to the database and will not require you to enter a username and a password. Once inside the database, you'll see Welcome and your organization name, and you'll also see the date that your subscription expires at the top. You'll also see a number of ways that you can search the Colorado Grants Guide database. Using the advanced search function, you can find funders based on their areas of interest, their geographic area of focus, the types of grants they provide, or the desired grant size that you're looking for. Using Browse the database, you can search for profiles that start with a specific letter of the alphabet, or you can also browse by the type of funder. If you have a private access subscription, you can also build a list of your favorite funders. You can also click on recently updated funders to view profiles that have been updated within the last 90 days. And you can also view funders that have been added within this calendar year. On the right-hand side, you'll also see some useful links. Most notably, you'll want to look at the frequently asked questions and the user's guide if you have any additional questions about using the database. I'll perform a quick example search to show you how to best navigate the Colorado Grants Guide. In the advanced search function, you'll see that there are a number of criteria that you can use to search for funders that will be a best fit for your organization. Let's say that we are a nonprofit that focuses on education, is located in Denver County, and is searching specifically for project or program support. You'll notice that I'm keeping this search fairly broad as I want to allow myself flexibility to continue to narrow my search as I go. You'll see that 185 funders match these three criteria. So if I want to continue to narrow my search and pare down this list, I can click back and add additional criteria to the advanced search function. In this case, instead of searching for all funder types, I'll search for those funders that are located specifically within the state of Colorado. So we went from 185 funders to 61 funders, which makes this list a little bit more manageable. So once you're ready to start viewing profiles, you can click on the foundation or funder name from the list below, which will pull up that funder's profile. Each profile contains critical information about how to contact the funder, any application deadlines, their areas of interest. It includes a sampling of past grantees that were selected by the funder, how to apply, and the financials section also includes important information about the number of grants that were awarded in Colorado versus overall, and the average range of dollar amounts awarded in Colorado. If you have a private access subscription, you'll also be able to use the user notes and alert date functions, and you'll also be able to add funders to your favorite funders list. As you can see, this funder is already on my favorite funders list. So that was a very brief overview of the Colorado Grants Guide database. Hopefully this video has been helpful, but if you should have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us here at the Community Resource Center. All of our contact information can be found on the Contact Us page of our website.